Most budgets fail within the first 30 days, not because people lack willpower, but because traditional budgeting feels like a second full-time job. When you try to track 40 different expense categories, from dry cleaning to morning coffees, budget fatigue sets in. You miss one day, fall behind, and quit altogether. If you want a framework that takes less than 10 minutes a month to manage while guaranteed to build real wealth, you need the 50-30-20 rule. Developed by Senator Elizabeth Warren in her book All You're Worth, this formula simplifies your financial life into just 3 macro buckets. Here's how to set it up step by step. Plus, in step 3, I'm going to show you a simple trick to spend money on wants guilt-free without ever tracking a single receipt. Step 1. Calculating your true base, net income. Before allocating a single dollar, you need your starting baseline, your net take-home income. A major beginner mistake is budgeting using gross income, your total salary before taxes. If you make $60,000 a year, your gross is $5,000 a month, but you don't actually have $5,000 in your bank account. What to include in net income, your paycheck after federal, state, and local taxes. Payroll deductions like health insurance or automatic retirement contributions. We will account for retirement in bucket 3. What if you have an irregular income? If you're a freelancer, gig worker, or rely on sales commissions, calculate the average monthly net pay of your lowest 3 months over the past year. Base your core budget on that conservative figure. Any surplus in high-earning months goes directly into savings or extra debt payoff. Example for this video. Let's assume a total monthly net take-home pay of $4,000. That is our working baseline. Step 2. The 50% bucket. Mandatory needs. The first bucket gets 50% of your net income. On our $4,000 salary, that is $2,000 per month. Needs are strictly non-negotiable expenses required for basic survival and keeping a roof over your head. What fits in the 50% bucket? Housing, rent or mortgage payment, including property taxes and HOA fees. Utilities, electricity, water, gas, and basic home internet. Transportation, minimum cost to get to work. Car payment, auto insurance, gas, public transit pass. Basic groceries, essential food items, not eating out. Essential insurance, health, auto, renters, or life insurance. Minimum debt payments, the absolute minimum required payment on student loans, credit cards, or personal loans to prevent default. The gray area trap. Is internet a need or a want? High-speed gigabit fiber for 4K streaming is a want. Basic reliable internet for work/life is a need. Is food a need? Cooking rice, chicken, and vegetables at home is a need. Ordering takeout on DoorDash is a want. Now, keeping your needs at 50% is where most people struggle, but what if your fixed bills are already way over that limit? Stick with me for 2 minutes because right after we cover wants, I'm showing you the exact order of operations to fix high overhead without sacrificing your lifestyle. Step 3. The 30% bucket. Lifestyle wants. Step 3 is allocating 30% to wants. On $4,000 a month, that gives you $1,200 in spending money. Most financial advice tells you to cut out every luxury, stop buying $5 lattes, and live like a monk. That approach fails because it isn't sustainable. The 30% bucket is explicitly designed to keep you sane and motivated by funding your current life. What fits in the 30% bucket? Dining out and entertainment, restaurants, bars, concerts, sporting events. Subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, software, shopping, upgraded clothing, electronics, home decor. Hobbies and travel, weekend trips, gear, recreation. How to manage the 30% bucket without tracking. Every cent. Instead of logging every single coffee purchase, open a separate secondary checking account with its own debit card. Transfer your monthly $1,200 wants budget into that account on the first of the month. When that debit card hits zero, your fun spending stops until next month. No spreadsheets required. Now that your needs and wants are locked in, we hit the final 20%, savings. But beware, 90% of beginners make a critical mistake in how they build this bucket that actually drains their wealth instead of growing it. Step 4. The 20% bucket, savings and wealth building. The final step is allocating 20% to savings, investing, and debt payoff. On $4,000, this is $800 every single month. While the 50% bucket pays for your present and the 30% bucket pays for your fun today, this 20% bucket pays for your future self. Where to direct your 20%? Order of operations. Step A. Starter emergency fund. Build $1,000 to $2,000 quickly in a high-yield savings account. HYSA, to catch unexpected life surprises. Step B, high-interest debt. Pay off toxic debt with interest rates above approximately 7%. Credit cards, high-interest personal loans. Pay the minimums in the 50% bucket, but put surplus 20% money here until it's gone. Step C, full emergency reserve. Expand your cash cushion to 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Step D, long-term investing. Max out employer 401k match opportunities. Invest in a Roth IRA or buy low-cost broad market index funds like S&P 500 ETFs. The automation trick. Never trust yourself to manually move money into savings at the end of the month. There will rarely be anything left. Summary and actionable steps. Here is your immediate action plan for today. Print your last 30 days of bank and credit card statements. Calculate your exact monthly net take-home income. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings to see where your baseline currently sits. Adjust your spending over the next 60 days until your numbers align with the 50-30-20 ratio. To make this completely effortless for you, I built a free 50-30-20 budget tracker template in Google Sheets. All you have to do is plug in your monthly take-home pay, and the spreadsheet automatically calculates your exact dollar caps for needs, wants, and savings down to the cent. You can grab the free download link right now in the top line of the description and pinned comment below. No sign-up required. If you found this step-by-step masterclass helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment with your target budgeting goals, and subscribe for more direct, no-nonsense financial strategies.